Welcome back to another video in this footprint series. Today we're going to be looking at complete and incomplete auctions. Complete and incomplete auctions, also known as finished or unfinished auctions, is an idea taken from Market Profile. When I was studying Market Profile, this is something that you'd realize that incomplete auctions or complete auctions show short-term strength and weakness in a market. So where there is an incomplete auction, price usually returns to that point and then has a move through or move away. And with markets being fractal, my idea was that I wanted to bring incomplete or complete auctions to footprint charts because it's the same idea or the same premise as volume profile or market profile. So I went into this thinking that I was probably the only one with this idea, and then I went on YouTube. I watched a few videos on complete or incomplete auctions in footprint. There wasn't too much on the subject, but I did find a few interesting topics and ideas, and then I just expanded on that myself. So let's get into what a complete auction is so that you guys we're all up to speed. So a complete auction occurs when there's participants in either buying or selling at the extreme of a candle. So that area over there would be an example of a complete auction or complete auction candle. Auctions have two ends, the top and the bottom. For an auction to be complete, both ends have to be complete. An incomplete auction would have one end or both ends incomplete. You would be able to tell if it's an incomplete auction or complete auction by the extremes of the candle. Where there's a number with a 0 at the extreme of a candle, that's a complete auction. An incomplete auction occurs when there's both buyers and sellers at an extreme high or extreme low of a footprint. So that means there's numbers at both ends of the extreme without the 0. Here's an example of a incomplete auction, and here's an example of a complete auction. Now that we know what it is, the next video in the series will be us looking at complete and incomplete auctions and actually how to use them and why the previous two videos, the primer videos in the series, was actually so useful and enlightening. With that being said, cheers.